Next, we will use our newly created app registration to edit our config.py file with the appropriate values. So we'll go ahead and open up the config.py, and we'll scroll up into the output or wherever you have pasted the output of the app registration and copy the app ID and paste it as necessary in the value. And we'll also use the password which we have set and hard code that into here. Now, this is not best practice to be using the values directly, but for the purpose of the demonstration, this is how we'll be doing it. So we'll go ahead and save this config. Just a word of note, there is also a requirements.txt file. I think I've already mentioned this before, but that is also a prerequisite. So if you haven't already, there are the instructions to, once you set up Python and you've set up the lab files, you would need to do a simple installation specifying the requirements.txt. So it'll be something like, in my command line, it'll be something like pip install -r and then requirements.txt, and that should just install all of the Azure modules and related modules that we need for the bot to work. But if you do have any issues, feel free to refer back to the instructions and just ensure that you have all the prerequisites regarding requirements and other modules installed. So now we've configured the config.py file, we will now go ahead and move on to the next instruction.